Hermu.
Right.
Now we're gonna do Africa, okay?
Okay.
Alright, Eritrea,
Asmara.
Asmara, Ethiopia,
Asaba.
Addis Ababa, Djibouti,
Djibouti.
Somali Republic,
Mogadishu.
Mogadishu, Sudan, Khartoum, South Sudan, Juba, Egypt, Cairo, Libya, Tripoli, Algeria, Algiers, Morocco, Rabat, Western Sahara, El Ayoun, Mauritania, Nouakchott, Mali, Bamako, Niger, Niamey, Chad, N'Djamena, Senegal, Dakar, Gambia, Banjul, Guinea-Bissau, Bissau, Guinea, Conakry, Sierra Leone, Freetown, Liberia, Monrovia, Ivory Coast, Yamoussoukro, Ghana, Accra, Togo, Lome, Benin, Porto Novo, Burkina Faso, Ouagadougou, Nigeria, Abuja, Central African Republic, Bangui, Equatorial Guinea, Malabo, Gabon, Libreville, Congo, Brazzaville, Democratic Republic of Congo, Kinshasa, Uganda, Kampala, Kenya, Nairobi, Rwanda, Kigali, Burundi, Bujumbura, Tanzania, Dar es Salaam, or the other one is what? Dodoma, very good. They changed it to Dodoma, yes. Dar es Salaam used to be, no more Dar es Salaam, right? Alright. Angola, Luanda, Namibia, Windhoek, Zambia, Lusaka, Botswana, Gaborone, Malawi, Lilongwe, Mozambique, Maputo, South Africa, Pretoria, Swaziland, Babane, Lesotho, Maseru, Madagascar, Antananarivo. Very good, Hermun. Vertigo.